Kick her up.
Do you know the Mexicans have the biggest saddle?
They do.
Mom, did you video me?
I didn't. I left my phone in it. Mom, how old is Blackie? Oh, he's like 18.
Mom, do I get 18?
30.
I have a horse that's 32.
How fast does he go?
He's not going. Oh, I'm like, Hazen's not going
No!
good. What?
No!
You want to go? Okay, one sec. Look. Look at, there's Hazen. So come on, Hazen. Say go, Hazen.
No. But he does it like you, buddy.
Come on.
Bag of fleas. He's a bag of fleas. If he's old, he's a bag of fleas. He is very old.
yeah. Well, it's fine. He's not old.
18.
Good, Hayes. Kick her up. Good job. Right there, kick her up. Good. Good job.
We gave him a bath, but not
Way to go.
that has to warm up.
Good job, Hazen. Was that fun?